Yeah, before we go into the bucket, I want to tell the world, say, you did it.
Yeah, man.
Was your
Second
we're
time.
proud of you.
Yeah, man.
Tell the world now, say now, you came to the seaside, to the Change and Balance camp.
Yeah, man, to the Change and Balance program, you know.
And you get your boat license.
Yeah, man, I'm boat license, man.
And you went out.
Yeah, I go 2 times, I got ocean, man. Day before yesterday and yesterday, you know.
So,
See the man, he capped me, you know.
wait,
Yeah, man, he capped me, man.
when did, come over here, come on, I don't want to catch nobody. Come over right over here. Right over here, see? This is the Change and Balance camp. When you say all, this is represent the Almighty. So when we pray, we say give thanks to the all. Change and Balance. So now he's a disciple of Change and Balance.
Yes, man.
So one time he used to be a different guy.
A criminal, you know.
You use that word there?
Yeah, man.
You're gonna use that word?
You're
gonna use it?
Yeah, man. You don't know the
So you were a criminal?
Yeah, what a criminal. But me just change my style, you know, because you don't know, really work out. You see what I say? Jamaica and the world.
So you were a criminal?
Yeah.
And you used Change and Balance before you even written down?
Yeah.
And you changed your life?
Yeah, my lifestyle changed, I know.
I'll never be a criminal yet.
So now you're teaming up with the captain. Come over here, captain. So now this is the captain that you team up with?
Yeah.
So you went on his boat?
Yeah.
And you went fishing for the twice?
For the second time.
Second time. Captain,
in an ocean.
how did your student do? What was your student like, Captain?
Right now, me like carrying back.
Yeah, is it his personality, his skill, his energy?
I never be a criminal for my life, and I'm 60 this year.
Yeah.
You're 60 and you've never been a criminal, but he's been a criminal.
Yeah.
I never underpay a man yet.
Never show the world the real
So
thing,
you're changing his life by bringing him in under your wings.
Yeah, man.
I like it.
What?
Through the Change and Balance program.
Through the child?
And I came go to
Yes,
sea
man.
yesterday.
Yeah, man.
And the apprentice said, when you want to take up a fish and put in a I said, no. That igloo there, me care for you. Put your fish in it.
Yes, man.
Fishing by yourself. And I spent $16,100. And when you catch a 12-pound catch, and I would take 6 pounds and give 6.
Yeah.
And balance it just half of my own.
Yeah, man, see fish them in a igloo there, you know.
So you are going to be, like when you get to film age, you're going to apply Change and Balance to many other youths.
Many other youths, man. Yeah, man. I carry them out the same way, man.
I change the system, you know, so you know, if you care people, you know, if you work, nobody, you don't pay them.
Yeah, man. So, you know, to the Change and Balance program, the youth have to change, you know, and change their lifestyle.
So if him can change,
yeah, man, anybody know where I can change, man.
Thank you.
But anybody know where I can change, they can change it. Because the world know me, the world know Ginger. So if I make can change, anybody in the world can change.
So tell us about the second year. Tell me about some dolphin and
yes, man. The second year, the second year, I'm also like some blackjack we see. We don't really get a bite of my dolphin in my body the second day, but the first day, I bite up some dolphin the first day and some bunny.
The experience,
but the experience, out the rough, you know, so.
Ask him, say, yo,
yeah, man, out the rough, you know, so out the real, no small. Yeah, out the rough and a real, no children program, a serious program.
Them we don't know where that to me.
No, you see what I say?
We climb light post, man. We climb light post. So they might not nothing to me, but to apprentice me, they ask me everything.
Yeah.
I say, oh, where I say? I'm not afraid to go me just out of my pocket and come back and can buy it. I'm going to buy back, just come here out of it. Yeah. Ask me for that. I say, where I say? When I tell me turn back, and when you see where I calm down, I pull up back my tongue and say, yo, Ginger, yeah. The boat them go outside, you know, I do 1 hour more.
Yeah,
I do 1 hour more, I do 1 hour more.
Ocean, man, tell about.
Turn back up and in.
Well, I don't know.
so more year we must say, Kai, talk to me now. I go interview the master.
No.
But you see the student more year we must say.
No, experience out there, man. You don't know out there rough enough, but you don't know. You have a kind of master when you go out of sea, because sea is not really a normal place. You see what I say? So out of the ocean, a serious place, you know. At least look a mistake you can go and see. So you don't know things like that help your body when you go there, you know.
So you don't have no vests or nothing for save
No,
you?
I can't swim, man. I have vest, but vest in the boat, but I can't swim.
Okay.
But too far away so many times, when I can't swim, come back and land.
I think best can hold.
If vest can't hold you to everything, I can't swim, because shot them out to save me. Look at too far away, vest can't save me.
So he's a heart. Him have the heart.
Yeah, if you have a heart. Yeah, fishing is a heart.
Best is only if you allow.
Yeah.
Your time.
Yeah, because vest only can save me if a boat a pass. Too far away in the ocean.
You have a 50-50 chance with the vest.
Yeah.
But you don't have no vest, you don't have no chance.
Yeah.
It's a 50-50 chance, but you have a vest, you have a 100 chance.
Yeah.
When you have no vest, it's a
But vest in the boat, man, so you don't know what you don't know.
So for the ghetto youth, them, we know we're proud of him.
No, for the ghetto youth, them just want to youth them.
I pray a long time, say.
Yeah.
I know, say. I feel say it's a water funeral that I ever get. Because I don't feel nothing out of season.
Yeah.
How many years you been doing it?
Oh gosh. We graduated from school in 1980 and I did before that.
Okay. Me see, me respect what you do for him. So no, lot of fishermen wouldn't bring him, right?
We get introduced to go with enough man see you.
I don't know about the Indian for yourself now. No, but yes, I see how we only live clean, straight and fair. If a man quarrel with me tomorrow,
Yeah, man, teamwork,
I'm
teamwork.
gonna look for me and say, Rasta,
So you're going to work,
because you want to that's some hero.
Yeah.
Teamwork, teamwork, man. See fish them and I go there, man.
Let's go look at the fish, Ginger.
If people want to see them, they can show
So Ginger, when I get to you, them hungry can't come check you one day.
Yes, man, they can come and give them a pound of fish and 2 pounds, man.
We get all the
They
way.
can cook all
Hey,
them,
the
man.
ghetto you them can't come and say, Gin, you know some milk hungry.
You see me have a small dolphin there, you know. So if them come and you don't know, they have most some blackjack.
This is the ocean skinfish, well fat.
So a skinfish, that one, you know. Yeah, man, I'm that one, you know.
So you hook that one there, Gin?
Yeah, man,
That one, yeah?
Yeah, I'm that one to see me.
And what kind of fish this?
That one a dolphin.
Is a dolphin?
Yeah, that one $1,000 pound, you know. My dolphin, they call them.
Yeah?
Sweet, you know.
How you cook them?
Yeah, man, you can steam them, fry them, anything with
Yeah.
them. Like now.
Alright, Gin. Let me see how much I have. Come on, support you now.
Yes, man.
I
Yes,
have to
man.
buy a fish from you.
What
What the one here?
That one a skinfish.
What's a skin fish?
No, turbot they call them. Skin them and steam them, see. Ocean turbot. The skin.
You don't have to skin them, you can slab him and file him.
Mm-hmm.
And roast it.
Oh, them nice?
Yes, man.
The dolphin are this? Which one nicer?
Dolphin sweet, man. Dolphin sweet, man.
The dolphin sweeter?
Yeah.
Let me see how much I have.
Yeah, man, so you don't know what you
I have to support Ginger, you know,
Yes,
because...
I change and balance, you know. You don't
Hey,
know what you
hey.
I change and
I have
balance.
to support you, brother, because you're a thing and you do your thing and... You see me?
The power so easy, man.
No, but the easy, you know.
Ginger, weigh the thing for me. How much the dolphin weigh?
Yeah, man. Put that on the scale. Put on the scale.
I have to support Ginger, man.
Yes, man.
What you mean the man changed from being a...
Oh, man, that's gone 2 pounds.
Who hold this, Ginger? Hold
Yes,
this.
man.
Hold that. See that? See that? You go scale it for me?
Yes, man.
Please, let's go do that, Ginger.
I set him up for you.
You know, man. It's a pleasure for know, say, a man can come from one life into another life,
Yes, man.
and the man make him dollar.
Yes, man.
Honestly,
Yes,
Tivoli,
Yeah, man.
Mobile,
Yeah, man.
tell the whole of the people them say, yo, big up some name, big up some name.
Yeah, man. Big up some people, man. You don't know. Big up family, them, man. You don't know my auntie, them, and my uncle, them, and my cousin, them. You don't know. In West Kingston, there. You don't know my mother, they are New York, Connecticut. You don't know anything, man. Big up yourself. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Sister, them, and my brother, them. Love them every time, you know.
Good.
Respect our manners.
So
See what I
now
say?
the girl was still doubt for. Remember, them see you, you know, but
Yeah,
they never
man.
call yet. But now them say, him a turn fisherman now.
Yeah, no,
Maybe
you don't
he
know-
can work
yeah,
with
you
it.
don't know my life change over now, so you don't know if a girl see me and like me and need me, they can come across the same way.
And you
See
have
what I say?
give them
Yeah,
the
man, my
number
number
again.
5023002, man.
And if they want to fish them for
If
link
you want
you.
fish, you can link me same way, man.
And
Down
if-
by the seaside, man, to go be.
And if she
Really
fly
be
in and
right.
she wants some lobster and
Yes,
things, she
man,
can
can
come
link
down.
the same way,
Let's
man.
go scale
Yeah,
it,
man.
Ginger.
Yes, man.
Big time
Yeah,
now. You know, this is a change and balance
Yeah,
camp.
man.
People want to see it there. The youth them a practice change and balance. It is real. You saw me, I said that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to make sure, say, Man change him life and him now go back and him a move forward.
No, we not go back, you know. And we can't go back at all, general.
And the big man them, you know, must support him, you know, and even if him not have the fish, when you know come down, call him and say, yo Jen, I love how you change your life, you know.
Yes, man.
And run by the dolphin there for you can't catch one more for me.
Yes, man, I go catch more, man. I go catch more out there, man. I go catch more. You see what I say?
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to see about the money to sell out already, you see what I say? So, I go catch more, man. I go catch more.
So you just stay safe out there, brother. We love how you
Right, no, that's all. Yo, let me tell you what I'm going, right? No more, what going on for them, right? That's all I have to do, ocean, stay safe, you know what I mean? Yeah, pull one of them. Alright, you pull one of them. Yeah, what? That's it.
Oh no. We just spend the whole thing on gin.
Anytime again.
No, I can't promise that.
I can't fully.
Then Ginger know the money.
Yo, I can't fully.
Hey!
I can't fully go. I can't fully go. You know, you might tell me can't. Yeah.
35 miles from Cuba.
35 miles from Cuba? Where you said to me?
You know, Cuban water.
Yeah.
And then place fish with them.
Ginger people are come for buy the fish and you see another customer you have there.
Yes, man, they come in, so we have them car. Nobody to go see, no. Unless we alone go. Nobody to go.
Cause them afraid?
Not really afraid, no. Remember say, no, you have to have a good boat for the ocean, no. You look at a normal boat, you look at a small boat, you can't go ocean. You have to have a good fiberglass boat for the ocean. The ocean, no one, the sea out, no one normal sea. The boat can't go ocean, because boat go ocean, one jump in a hole, you bust up in two, 1, 2, 3. And 4. So, you have to have a good boat for the ocean, man. But I'm really afraid someone afraid can't go because they have a boat to go.
Alright, people see the man there.
You know what you think.
How old are you now again?
Yeah, man, I'm 40 now, man.
Ginger, I'm 40 and him
I'm 40 years
use
old.
a change and balance program for
The change and balance program I can use and change up my life, you know. You have to try to set certain things the right way, you know what I mean?
Give thanks.
Yeah, man, in real life, you see what I say?
Wow, look the man, I don't know if you can see them catch a dolphin.
Yeah, man, I mean catch him, man.
So tell me the story about the time when you see the rough and you see them run and the sharks and...
Well, man, I tell you, we out there the first time I go out there. We catch some bonita, we catch a young shark. The first time I go out there. But so many never really experienced that fishing. The first 3 me catch get wet. So you don't know, me start catching it because you don't know, me kind of get rough up on the boat out there and a quick thinking, run see when they see, you know. When they see a real normal thing out there right now, you have to, your brain have to think quick. I have to firm out in that boat, because you can stand up in that boat and move normal in that boat like a lot of them and see them out there. Or anything can happen out of sea, see them.
So all the man them say my bad man are the real bad man out there?
Yeah, man, all the man say I'm a bad man, man. I see them come man and talk about and say who bad. They come and see and say who bad, you know. The man say I'm bad man, they come and see and say who bad.
So you get humble out there?
Yes, man, I get humble out there.
Shake,
yeah.
nervous sometimes?
Yes, man. No, really nervous sometimes. You have to serious when I go see them.
Are your life up on the line?
Your life up on the line. Anything happen and the boat on the water, and there was an ocean right there. Ocean. And I ride the waterfront that's over there with the ocean. So anything happen out there.
Jano.
Yeah, man, and I change and balance program.
Boy.
Kind of make the thing set away there.
Boy. And when we introduced the program to you, you didn't understand, but now you kind of...
me know what the program is all about.
Yeah.
That's why I take on to the program, so you know.
Yeah.
We know what it's all about, you know what I say? For change the youth in life, you know.
Oh, yes.
Make them a turn around and know the real thing about them ancestors, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, a real general. That's why we go. People, please support Ginger. The man you beg money.
No,
the man
no,
you ask for drinks.
No.
The man you go fishing.
The
man you bust gun no more.
No, me know them things, man.
You see me? The man they stay away from trouble. You're born in the market at Mobile. At them place
No,
there.
no, I'm born at West Kingston, Kingston 14. But I go in the market at Mobile. And then start going about in Mobile like Flankers and Gully and Salem and Lane and them places. You see what I say? Down at Seaside or so.
So the whole Mobile know you.
The whole Mobile know me. And the man, the Americans see ginger, I say, yeah man, ginger that thing. You see what I say?
You know, you're global, brother.
Yeah man, so you don't know a thing
So
about
if
general
them
man.
want them thing, they must
Yeah man, if
link
they want
you.
it, shake them out. Shake them out.
Wow.
Fisher man.
And if you don't have it, you know who
Yeah,
have
them
it.
dolphin they call them my dolphin. Ocean,
Oh,
ocean
the
them
my
there.
this.
Yeah, ocean them there.
Oh,
And really
okay.
dolphin them like you see in the pool water, like the dolphin cove, the one you eat.
Yeah.
They call them my dolphin.
Yeah.
So them one are nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if
So
you...
I go scale him now, slice him, gut him, slice him, and cut
It's
him.
a pleasure. I appreciate. Me never know say me there come see this, you know, brother.
Yes man, you have to go see it.
Me never know say me there go experience. And you see, me bring this home to my mother and say, Mom, you never taste this before.
Yeah.
I never ship at the house. So, brother, your first thing, your first dolphin.
I'm the first dolphin, the first catch.
Anna and Manners and Anna.
Yeah man.
The one called Ginger.
Yes,
Yes,
man.
and some like me say big man change them life.
Yes man.
Cause you're not a little boy no more.
No, man, look at boy no more. So
And then a woman-
me can't go to prison.
If you-
Me can't go to prison and jail no more.
No, sir, if you can't bring a fish, go get a woman and say, honey, me have some food. You know, make no sense, you go touch her.
Yeah, you know, I'm saying general.
And then if she have to run off your life and thing, you know, make no sense in the around her. But now, you do the honest living, you never know a woman might go and buy a boat and say, Jin,
Yeah,
go,
man,
go.
I'm an honest bread, man, you know, man. I do.
Woman seem there, you know.
I not do no badness again, so I change my life, you know. I say.
That's why I promote them, you know, because them a do the change and balance program.
Yes, man.
So I have to make the world support them.
Because the woman come on and change and balance program, I saw my life change over, you know. You don't know, you know, but I love most of the youth them come on and change and balance program to see them way and set them life away, you know. Really.
So remember, say on Fridays you have to play the history for them.
Yeah, we need help, you know, but we not look the handout.
No.
And the man can come and so come take you in the history Fridays.
Yes.
Every now and then, Fridays, you know.
Yes.
So the issue they have to do, them come take you. See what I say?
See the people were making a change in Jamaica. Forget to you them.
Forget to you them. We can come and fry fish too, because we have fish for the good of it. So look, we have Escobar's fish, you know.
Hey.
The good of it.
And even if them have the dollars, them can buy lobster too.
Same way, man. I think we have dollars, we can come in and support.
And it's a safe zone.
Yeah, that's the same zone, man. Nobody not do nothing else.
One link.
One link, same way, man. Nobody not.
Next time you show your style. Next time you go so. So. You know, next time you go so. You have a spit right yourself, right hand job on or something. And one lick and you go through. So you spit it, yeah? You can't cut it right, don't see it. You have a, just like now, you know, so we see it. Yeah. Like how we can take off your tone at a film. Just we hold it by the lip yourself and just
right past me.
and join
And
us for right
behind me.
But she don't understand and teach me, I teach him.
Helmet, you know, so I start getting timid,
Teach
daddy.
me, I teach him still, huh?
Let me go up there. And in top, and I
You know,
roll
so
on
already
top.
I come on and come teach a man how to feel lobster. That's why I hold a lobster.
Drinks it, daddy.
I am this and I dive in this one that pattern, you see what I say?
You don't want them to forget. Why not even know, say, yo. Woman knows, say, yo, we go governor.
Yeah.
I don't want to
The
tap
next
for
time you
the
just turn me up so, and just even him and Mark, you know, say.
Yeah, mark him out front. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm this, you know.
Put another bag for me. Hey, take out piece for me, I want to roast it.
I need piece of man.
Daddy, I scare my man. I stash and this thing.
Oh, piece was on the
One again, one piece.
In there, yes man, I'm in there, you never leave. Me know you meet